Hello and welcome to Yorkshireman Models. In this video I'll be doing the Bugatti Chiron. It's a new kit I've just got, airfix 143. It's a 2022 scale release. It's just been done and I thought I'd pick one up and have a go at it. So it's a starter set, so you've got a few bits. But yeah, looks nice. Let's crack on. Just see what's in it now. Pull that back. It's a big bag of stuff, actually. Paints, glue, brush, instructions. Ends just come off there. I'll just put it back up. There's a couple of bristles, one cutting off at end. They're just stuck way too far out, but that's not. Have a look at the paints and the glue. Let's see if they're okay. Because it says it's 2022 kit. You'd expect them to be good. It's when they get stood on the shelf for a long time. So there's number 33. It's a black colour. Actually, I don't think you saw that. It was good. I'll just open it back up. There you go. It's good. Good paint. And silver. Oh, right. We've already got a spillage here. But it is that from when they filled it. I don't know. Open it up and see. Yeah, there's also, looks a bit like it's melted. I don't know. Probably just a deformed tub or something. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you can even see it moving. It's good silver. The glue. I've only ever had one of these dried up. They've all been good. In fact, yeah, you can see it on my finger. I'll have to wipe that off. Typical. But yeah, it's good colour. I won't be using this glue. Don't like it that much. Another blacky colour, but I don't know which. They'll be just different stuff that they've got. Is that good? Yep, that's spot on. And red. Yeah, this is. That definitely looks like a spill or something like that. Check it out. And that's good as well. So, even though it looks like spilt some as the filled pot, it's still some good paint. It's fine. Right. What I'll do is I'll show the kit, get it out of the bag, and a little bit of instructions and that, and then that way we then carry on just building it. It's not a proper review or an unboxing or whatever you want to call it. It's just a quick show of it so you can see what you get. That's when I get it out. This is your clear parts there, and right, that's obviously the main body of the car. That looks nice. Nice thin plastic. It's not too big. And do this one. Yeah, the wheels. Looks like front or rear bumper. On the belly bit, what do you want to call it? Car. Well, I don't know. I don't build cars. This is the first one I've built forever. I think I was a kid when I did my last turn. And I'm certainly not a kid now. Clear parts. The newer kits seem to have nice clear parts. Really nice. Yeah, they're proper see-through. They're really nice. They're good. Right, we'll chuck all this back in bags and that, put it to the side, and then we'll have a look at the instructions. Here we go. Oh, there's another page. Oh, decals first. There, fella. Oh, come up. There you go. Right, there ain't many. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6. I think there were 6 there, not a lot. A little. I think this is first time I've noticed. I've either not noticed them or can't remember. Probably can't remember. I'm getting that out, but yeah, it's getting a little idea for people for the first time how to cut parts off, clean your sprues first and stuff like that. Simple instructions because it is the first time. It's safe for a lot of people when they're doing one of these. Right, well, that's good. It's showing you what parts are meant to be painted red, black. And again there. Yeah, the very simple instructions. It's even showing you where the parts are on each sprue, where to cut them off. I've actually washed the sprues and I've given them a quick blast over with a bit of primer. It's just a quick one, just to make it nicer for paint sticking, as you can see. The primer took really well, no problem. But I did forget to do that wheel there, but it's alright. I'm spraying the interior with the Tamiya flat red, and I'll give it a good coat of gloss once I've done all that. I've finished the actual interior, because I want the red interior just to be slightly different from outside. But if you're building in this kit and you're going to use the red that comes, there's enough paint, you can easily do it with that. But yeah, just a quick blast over, just to get a bit of difference. Right, I'm going to take pieces off, I sand them down, and the usual is what you do when you get rid of any weight sprues of being connected. It does show you on instructions where to glue with these, so you'll get a little blue line on the instructions. I think that's very handy, and it's a good idea by airfix, because it helps people that's never made a kit. If you first time you've got on with these and then you start and make it, if you don't like I when I first did it, I put glue everywhere. I got more glue all out kit than where it was supposed to be. It were all out place. So nice idea that they're showing you, and you never know, people are probably going to make better kits from it. So certainly better than what I did. Anyway, I'll show you making a bit faster than this. I'm just spraying these in black, but that little bit of discoloration you can see, that's plastic masking. It's just going, well, liquid masking, sorry. It's just going to protect it so the red underneath stays there. Now I'm going to use a little bit Tamiya clear to stake the clear wind glass, whatever you want to call them, in behind the seats. This were recommended to me off of somebody that replied on one of my videos. I tried a cockpit once with it and it worked fantastic. Dries really quick compared to using PVA glue. I'm having to use Tamiya flat black. It's only black I've got at the minute because the Humbrol pot that you get, I cannot get it to spray. I've tried 3 or 4 different thinners, will not spray. So I'm going to use this and then I'm going to spray it in clear gloss. This is the clear gloss. This is Tamiya's. And I'm just going to get a couple of coats of it to make it shine. Right, I've masked off the bumpers to it and I'm going to affix them by putting in some small dots of super glue where the joint is, making sure it is only a small amount so it don't seep through joint and ruin the paintwork on the other side. And then what I'll do is I'll put a little bit more of that clear just so that it helps it take a bit better, and it should be fine. That were one of the best start kits I've ever built. The kit parts all went together well. There weren't any real problems. The instructions are some of the best instructions I've ever had. For it to actually show you on each section exactly where the parts are that you're cutting off, and then exactly where to glue. It's got to help the beginners, that, because you could spend ages looking through for parts if you don't know where you're looking for them. The price is pretty reasonable. I did enjoy that kit, and I'd recommend it to anybody who wants something a little bit different and fun to do. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, and even better, subscribe. Helps my channel out, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.